so far, up to this point in your math careers, we've studied functions that are one variable only. So, for example, this is something that we're all familiar with. Something like this. We have one variable, it's x, and when we graph it, we put the independent variable, which in this case is your x, on the horizontal axis, and the dependent variable, which is f of x in this case, on the vertical axis, and we have a graph in 2D. When we start getting into 3D, we're going to be looking at functions that are multivariable. And here's an example right here, where I would have a function f, and then I would have a function in terms of x and y, or it could be in with 3 variables, it could be f of x, y, and z. But once we start getting into functions that have multivariables, and we start studying that in terms of calculus and with limits, that kind of calculus is called multivariable calculus. And informally, multivariable calculus can be characterized as the study of the calculus of functions of 2 or more variables. However, before getting into that much depth, first we're going to try to get a handle on studying limits and areas and integration, and this Calc 1 based on just functions with one variable.